Hey everyone, this is Chris over at Acevacuums here in Fairfax, Virginia. We're at 11110 Lee Highway. Today we're going to talk to you guys today about some Miele accessories. We talk about Miele quite a bit because it's one of our best sellers. They have a very good selection of vacuums, and today we're going to talk about some of the accessories that come with them. They have a lot of wide range variety of different attachments, different carpet heads. So you got the 236, the 228, the 217. You got a turbo head, which is basically a straight suction power head that basically doesn't have electric going through it, but it does run off the suction from the machine. You got different attachments, hardwood floor tools. So you got like the Altec tool. You got the Parquet floor brush tool, which is really nice tools. They also have a lot of people that have pets and do like a lot of above floor cleaning. Like if you have carpeted steps, furniture, pets, the pet hairs building up. This is a great accessory tool. This is the Hand Turbo Mini. This is a great tool for your steps, your furniture, mattresses. Take it out to your vehicles, your car seats, stuff like that. This is a great accessory to have if you're one of those type of people. They also have your another upholstery tool. I have this in my home. This also works great. This is a little bit better than the ones that come standard with them as far as like doing vehicles with this. It's a little bit more narrow. It gets down in between the seats and different areas like that. Great tool. They also have the extended crevice tool, which is this guy right here. This is great for doing dryer vents in between the fridge, the stove, hard to reach places in your vehicles. The nice thing about this tool is that it flexes and bends, but it still allows the dirt to travel freely through the whole crevice tool. So it goes either way. You can shorten it. You can take the pieces off, whatever you want to do. Very nice attachment, a lot of functionality for this, a great accessory to have for your home. And then the last one is, this is like a really nice dusting brush. It's very nice, soft bristle hairs. But the cool thing about this is, one is that it's a wider, bigger, so it covers a lot more area, but it actually angles and bends. So like if you want to do the tops of your ceiling fans, if you have high to reach vents in your home, blinds, if you do a lot of dusting, this is a great accessory to have with your Miele. I use this tool a lot in my home. Like I said, there's tons of attachments, different filters, like a charcoal filter. So if you have pets, animals, odor, things like that, those charcoal filters really help eliminate the odor, gases, and stuff like that in your home. Something to check out. You can also go to our website. All the accessories and tools are at www.acevacuums.com. Check us out online at our Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all of our how-to videos. You can see a lot of different things like that. So if you have any questions, give us a call here at 703-997-9292. We'll be happy to help you out with all the different accessories that might best suit your home. Thank you guys and have a great day.